you prosecute me in Philippine courts with the Filipino judge, the Filipino prosecutor, and magpakulong ako dito sa bayan ko. Kung sakali.
They're preparing you to bring you to The Hague.
I am sure. I am very sure. I'm a lawyer. Abogado ka man. I am sure the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Baski na hindi tayo maghingi niyan, the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Tignan mo. Hindi pa bayad ang wala tayong extradition treaty. At saka nag-withdraw na tayo. Bakit mo ako dadalhin doon sa international body na hindi na tayo membro?